I'm Dr. Lokesh Kumar, Senior Director and HOD Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery at Max Hospital, Gurugram. Today we will discuss about a procedure called Mommy Makeover. Mommy Makeover is not a single procedure but consists of number of procedures designed to improve the shape and appearance of body after childbirth. As a result of pregnancy, a woman's body undergoes many changes, and Mommy Makeover is designed to reverse those changes with number of procedures. The procedures which contribute to Mommy Makeover are facial rejuvenation for pigment related problems on the face, breast lift for sagging breasts, tummy tuck for tightening the abdominal muscles and removal of excess skin. In addition to these, one can undergo genital rejuvenation for correcting the female genitalia to pre-pregnancy state. The stretch marks are also correctable using various lasers. In this short video on Mommy Makeover, I have tried to answer many queries which my patients pose to me during consultation. But if you have any further queries, you can write to us and we will be able to help you with this procedure.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.